Hey, howdy do, Rangeroos. We are going to be working on this shape right here. And the big thing to understand on this particular shape is the mirroring tool. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We're going to do our File, New Part. Start with a 2D sketch right here. And I'm going to begin with just a couple rough drawn rectangles, and then we will dimension them after the fact. So that is a close approximation of the shape. And if we check out the dimensions here, it's supposed to be 0.5. Then it is 0.75 right in there. So I'm going to measure from here to there for 0.75. And let's see, this is 0.5 up top. And that gives us our shape. I'm going to trim that right there and extrude it on out at 0.75. Just like that. Now we have our roughly drawn L shape right here. Next we have to put a hole in that piece. You can take a look. We've got a hole right there. So 2D sketch right there. And I am going to pop the point in, close approximation middle. And I know that this distance is 0.75, so I'll let Inventor do the math. 0.75 divided by 2. That way. And then let Inventor do the math this way. 0.75 divided by 2, which puts it right in the center. Finish the sketch. Hole. And the diameter is 0.375. Enter. And that gives us our hole right there. As you can see, we've got a hole there. Now we have to do the fillet tool. Fillet tool is right there. That edge right there. Make sure. Hang on, I messed it up right there. Fillet that edge, and this edge right here. Click OK. And now we've got the rounded off corners that we want, as we can see right there. Now all we have to do is mirror this. So in order to do that, get it at a decent spot, and I am going to click this icon right here, which is the mirror icon. First thing that I have to do is choose the features, and make sure you choose all the features when you do this. If you choose all the features, they'll all be highlighted. Let me show you what goes wrong first. Let's say you just choose that right there. Click Mirror Plane. You're going to notice your other side doesn't have the hole, it doesn't have the fillet. So when you do this, mirror, make sure you choose everything that you've included on there. Then your mirror plane, choose that right there. You can see all the features are represented. Click OK, and it mirrors the part. It gives you identical sides, both sides, which on a lot of parts is useful because you're going to be doing this a lot in the engineering field. Okay, go ahead and save this as part number 2 for 5.5b, and stop this video, rewind, and replay as many times as you need in order to get the concept.